Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch and I'd like to show you the AXT Rapid 2200 shredder. This is designed more with softer foliage and stalks in mind, but it has a very respectable performance in branches as well. And unlike a lot of the more basic impact shredders, this is almost like a small lawnmower, but standing on its hind legs, so to speak. So the blades are operating in this area here. And because of how they interact with the material you're pushing through the hopper, they drag the material through really fast, which is where it gets its rapid name from. This product has a 2200 watt motor, as the model number suggests. It has a power drive motor, which you'll find in all the Bosch corded Rotac mowers, which means it's a belt drive with lots of torque going onto those blades. Before we demonstrate it, just want to show you inside, and you can take the hopper off by loosening a bolt on the back here. Incidentally, there's an interlock on here, so having removed that, even if you plug it in, the machine will not run. So here you can see that the blade, this is one of the cutting edges, another one on the other side here, and this is where the action is. The material goes in through the top here and is processed really quickly, as you'll see in the demo. The blade itself is super sharp, but obviously it will get dull, particularly if there's soil or clay on the material going through. So we have a simple Allen bolt in the middle there. There's an Allen key provided with the product, and by passing a screwdriver through this hole, you can stop the motor from turning and change the blade, or turn it round, because there's a cutting edge on the other side too. So it has two lives, and you can turn it round and get a new fresh edge on it when it starts to dull and not shred so well. There is a safety sort of entry point here, which means that however tempting it might, or silly it might seem, if you put your hand down there, it's going to stop you from getting anywhere near the blades. Not that we'd recommend that. Also, if the product backs up a little bit with a lot of leaves and foliage, we do have this pusher here, or prodder if you prefer, that comes in the box with it, so you can just give it a little bit of encouragement to free anything that's blocked on the way to the blade. But just on the back here you can see the switch. We can just plug the product in to give you an idea, and this switch it's a safety switch, so you turn it rather than press it, and in so doing the machine comes to life. It's a soft start, and if you want to switch it off, you don't have to worry about which way to turn it. You just hit the red button and it stops safely and quickly. It's on wheels, of course, so it's easy to move around. It's not particularly heavy anyway, but it's a really high performance shredder, and so just leaves me the opportunity to give it a go and see how it performs for you.